Hello! We're here in the rain. You know I'm taking video of this.
Oh, serious?
I'll post it up too. No! I told you these are my only pants.
Shut up. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, Jason's a total. Stop that.
I'm not high, okay? I'm not
So
high.
I said a total. He's like, oh my god.
I don't know what this says.
I said a mofo. I walked to his house in the rain.
Anybody?
He's asking for a ride.
I think I gotta show some leg. This is the retarded.
I wonder how many stars will be. How many thumbs up we'll get. Oh, I poked a hole.
I probably think I'm retarded.
No.
But are you recording or watching?
Huh?
Are you recording or watching?
Recording.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's really cold. My face is on cold fire.
Ah. My pants are wet. No, that's not what I meant. Retards.
Whoa. Whoa.
No, I'm talking to the viewers. Because I said my pants are wet, then they might think the wrong thing. One thing I don't understand. Friday was freaking sunny. Well, no, not Friday. I meant Thursday. Yeah, you do that.
Just kidding. Oh crap. Whoops.
Oh man, these are only shoes. It's October 22nd. We're walking in the rain. Oh crap. This has been a video by Jason. No. I forgot my name. I got that. You all saw that, yeah? Don't worry. But we all feel the same way. As I said, at least for you, you get to change at your house.
She dig me.
Yeah. Now Jordan, sitting in summer break, your hand in. It's crap! Look at it, it's brown!
Oh, it's giant puddle!
Ah, crap.
I got one more block to go.
You do? Crap. Well, peace.